This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located in a subdivision and offers comfort, convenience, and great value. The spacious layout provides plenty of room for family living, entertaining, or working from home. The home features a recently installed water heater, giving buyers added peace of mind and energy efficiency. Outside, you'll find a fenced backyard that is perfect for children, pets, gardening, or simply enjoying outdoor activities in a private setting. A covered area along the side of the house provides additional sheltered space that can be used for outdoor seating, storage, or protection from the elements. The kitchen comes complete with a refrigerator, and the washer and dryer will also remain with the home, making your move-in process even easier. These included appliances add convenience and value for the new owner. Located in an established subdivision, this home offers a welcoming neighborhood atmosphere while remaining close to schools, shopping, dining, and everyday amenities. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer